USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. Before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. And below the video, you'll find some links. It says join free Telegram channel. So go and join my Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then. Then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. Sign up with these brokers. I want you to open a separate broker account if and when you are going to trade with my signals. So don't mix up separate account for my signals. Okay, sign up, join Telegram, subscribe, like all that for you. Coming back to the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, what do we have? Weekly, we are trying to go down. So down and pull back. So this week might be a pullback week. So in weekly, we had been going down. We might go up just as a pullback this week, and then we have to take down this low. I'm expecting USDCAD to go until 3560. Okay, right now it's 3696. I'm expecting this in weekly to go until 1.3560. Time will tell. So right now we can only confirm that the trend is sell down for USDCAD. Coming back to Delhi. In Delhi, we have made a new low, pullback, new low is made. So it's time for a pullback again here, right? Use your fib levels from here till here. Quite simple, and then let the pullback happen. Maybe 50% pullback will happen, maybe 61%, and then we'll continue going down. Okay, but as of now, I think we are going to be long for maybe 1 or 2 days in the USDCAD. Okay, in daily chart. So looks like we had this hammer on Thursday, I guess. Yes, on Thursday we had hammer, and then Friday we had a blue candle in daily. So more likely will go up, and we will take a pullback of this downtrend. So until maybe here, and then red engulfing candle, and then we'll continue down. Okay, so time will tell. But what should be, or when shall we enter? What is our entry here? So our entry shall be in 4 hours. So if I come back to 4 hour downtrend, pullback, new low, and then this was the double bottom. So this low was not broken by this candle, so we made a trend reversal. Okay, so guys, we had a double bottom right here, and then now we are going towards the trend reversal, towards the upside. Now more likely we will go until the EMA. Okay, I could be wrong, time will tell, but looks like we will touch down the EMA around 3730, and once we have touched the EMA, then we will have the red engulfing candle, and we'll continue the downtrend. I could be wrong, because we might go above this 4 hour EMA, and we might carry on going up in long. Okay, so you have to keep an eye. If you in the coming maybe on Monday or whenever, this is a 4 hour timing. So on Monday, if you see any candle rejection from the EMA, so let's say you have a blue candle, but then you have a long wick rejecting the EMA and then coming down, and next candle is the engulfing the red candle, then go for short in USDCAD. But if you see any blue candle closing above the EMA, then your entry should be long after the pullback, and then the blue confirmation candle. So two situations: either candle will close above the EMA, in that case wait for the pullback, then go for long after blue candle, or else rejection from the EMA and then engulfing red candle, then go for shorts. So I hope you're clear. Trend is still down for USDCAD. Look for shorts, I would say, until you don't see any breakout. Okay, so if this high is broken in Delhi, then only you can look for longs. For now, it will be shorts. So if you like what you see, subscribe, like, share the video, join Telegram, sign up with the brokers. I'll see you in my next. Till then, take care.